You are losing hours every week. Not because your business is low, but because your reporting is manual. If you are still updating data in Google Sheets and creating reports manually, you are stuck in a system that does not scale in 2026. And worse, your team is making decisions on delayed insights. But there is no more need for you to worry because I am here for you. In this video, I will show you how to build a fully automated reporting system using Pabbly Connect that turns raw sheet data into structured business reports instantly. First, I will show you the demo of my automation and then we will create it step by step inside our Pabbly Connect account. This workflow gets triggered as soon as a new row is added inside this Google Sheet. In here, my team has to update daily sales data. After that, this OpenAI will generate a report and it will send to my team with the help of mail. So let me show you the demo. Inside my Google Sheet, here I will add a new row of today's data. I have added this row, date as 1st April, sales 100, leads 150, revenue 10,000 and notes as good day. I will directly open my Gmail account and in here you can see this new mail is sent successfully to sales team with today's business report that has got generated by OpenAI. Inside this, you can see this is the same report that we have sent for this date 1st April. And this happened just because of this workflow that we have created inside our Pabbly Connect account. So you have seen the demo of my workflow. Now I will help you also create this exact same workflow inside our Pabbly Connect account so that you can also save hours every week by sending reports automatically to your team. To start creating this automation, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. Then you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where on the top right corner, we have two different options to create our connection, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on the sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of these tasks, you can easily create some workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account for free. And after your tasks are expired, you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you just have to pay once to get lifetime access at Pabbly. And if you will use this coupon code JAIYT, you can also get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. But if you are already a Pabbly member, click on this sign in button and get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. With the help of these, you can easily automate your business with Pabbly. To use any of these following applications from here, you have to click on this Access Now button. So as we have to use this Pabbly Connect, we will press this Access Now button to get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. You can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In here, on the left side, we have this plus button to create folder. Click on this button, create a folder for yourself so that you can store your workflows inside that folder to stay organized. And on the right side, we have this create workflow button, by clicking on which we can start creating our workflow. Let us click on this. Here we have two options, create from scratch and create using AI. We can either create this workflow from scratch on our own, but this time we will use this AI to create this workflow. So we have to click on this create using AI. Then inside this box, we have to describe the workflow that we want to create. In here, I will add the title and use case of my workflow. Then you will see automatically the structure of my workflow will get created. So let me add the title and use case. I have added the title as generate and send business report automatically. For this use case, I have added when new data is updated in Google Sheets, Pabbly Connect sends it to OpenAI to generate a structured business report. Then automatically emails the finalized report to team members, ensuring consistent updates, faster decision making and zero manual reporting effort. Now we just have to click on this send button. Then this AI will ask us for our application event. So for my first application, Google Sheet, I want it to get triggered as soon as a new row is updated. So I will select this new or updated spreadsheet row. Then for this OpenAI, I want to use ChatGPT. So I will search for this ChatGPT here. It is visible, so I will select this. After that, for this last application, we have to select our application event as send email because you want to send an email to our team. So I will select this send email. Then you can see instantly it has provided me the structure of this workflow. Now I will approve and create this. Then I will open this on a new tab. You can see the structure of our workflow is created successfully, and this is the exact same structure that we have created while creating this workflow manually. So this means that we have created the structure fine. Now we just have to integrate these following applications with Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, let us integrate our trigger application Google Sheet. So we have to click on this button. You can see my connection is already created because I have already logged in inside my Google Sheet. That's why Pabbly Connect has detected my connection and it has created my connection. I have also received this webhook URL, so I will just copy this from here, go back inside my Google Sheet. Now as we have to integrate this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, so for that click on this extension and select this add-ons. Click on this get add-ons. From this Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Pabbly Connect webhook and it is visible here. I have already installed this inside my Google Sheet. You also have to install this. After that, go back on this extension again. It will be visible here at the bottom. At first, select this initial setup from here. Here we have to add this webhook URL and trigger column. For this webhook URL, paste the URL that you have copied from our Pabbly Connect account. Then for this trigger column, we have to add the last column of our Google Sheet where the data is added. On my sheet, this last column is E. In here, I will type down this capital E, then I'll press this send test button. You will see instantly the data added in the first row of my Google Sheet will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account. It is sent successfully. Now we have to submit this connection. Here our setup is configured successfully. We have to cut this, then we have to go back again on this extension, select this Pabbly Connect webhook again and click on this send on event, so that every time a new row will get added here, automatically those details will get sent to our Pabbly Connect account. We have successfully created this connection. Now in here, I will add one more row of the same data. You will see instantly this data will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account. I have added this row. Now let us go back, open this Google Sheet application, scroll down and you can see instantly we have received our response. In here, all the details about this particular data added on this 1st April has got sent successfully. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now we have to work on our first action application, OpenAI. We have to open this application. Now to create a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, we have to press this connect button. Here we get these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have already established a connection, you can go with this second option, but if you want to learn how to create a connection for the first time, then I will show you. For that, select this add new connection. Inside this box, we have to add this token. This token is like the password of OpenAI. To get this, at first you have to purchase a paid subscription of OpenAI. Then come back on this page, click on this hyperlink, you will get directed on this OpenAI platform. This is the platform where you can generate your OpenAI access keys. So click on this create new secret key button, give a name to your key, then press this create secret key button. Your key will get generated. You can easily copy that key from here and paste it inside the box, then press this save button. Your connection will get created successfully. In here, I will add my own token, then I will create my connection. My connection is created. Now I have to select this AI model and enter my prompt for this AI model. As I want to select GPT 5.2 as my prompt, so I will search for it, then I will select it. But you can select any other model from here as per your preference. Now we have to add this prompt. So in here, at first I will add my prompt. I have added this detailed prompt. You are a senior business analyst generating reports for decision makers. For this business data, I will map the details that we have received inside this Google Sheet application. For these instructions, I have provided quantify performance wherever possible. Highlight relationships. Example, give lead versus sale conversion. Identify efficiency gaps. Use concise executive level language. Output format, here I have provided this output format also, and this is the detailed format that I have provided to my OpenAI. If you want to get this prompt for yourself, just comment below this video prompt. There I will provide you this prompt instantly. So make sure to comment below this video to get your own prompt. Now let us map the details here. To map data, we just have to delete this earlier added text from here, as we want to map the date here. So we will press this slash button, search for today's date. Here it is visible, 1st April, so we will select this. Then for the sales, I will delete this earlier added text. I will press this slash button, search for this sales from here. It is visible here as 100, so I will select this. For this leads, I will again press this slash, search for this leads. They are visible, so I will select this. For this revenue also, I will repeat the same process, search for this revenue from here, then I will select it. At last, I will also select this notes by pressing the slash, searching for this notes from here. It is visible, so I will select this, and these data are mapped successfully. I have used mapping because by mapping we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, then these details will remain static and it will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why, to allow our data to get changed automatically, basically we take help of mapping. I have explained you mapping. I have shown you how to map data. Now we just have to scroll down, click on this save and send test request button to successfully receive this response from OpenAI. I have received my response, and inside this message content you can see this OpenAI has successfully generated this business report for me. Now I can send this business report to my team with the help of Gmail. Now let us work on our last action application, Gmail. So we have to go out, open this Gmail from here. Now we have to create the connection also between Gmail and Pabbly Connect. For that, I will press this connect button. Here you will get two options, add new connection and select existing connection. This time also let me show you how to create a connection for the first time. So I will select this add new connection, and then I'll press this sign in with Google button. On the left side you will see Pabbly Connect has detected my account. So I will select my account from here. On the next page I have to scroll down, click on this continue button. My connection will get created successfully. Here my connection is created. Now we just have to fill up these details one by one. First of all, for this sender name, I will add this text daily report automation. Then for this sender email address, Pabbly Connect has automatically detected my mail, so I will let it remain as it is. Then I will add this recipient email address. As I want to send this mail to my sales team, that's why I will type down the email address of my sales team in here. I have added this mail address. Now I will skip this CC, BCC and reply to, as these are not mandatory. I will directly enter this email subject and email content. For this email subject, at first I will add this static data daily business report. Now in front of this I will map today's date. So I have to press this slash, search for today's date, and here it is visible 1st April. I have to select this. I have added this static text, hello team, here is today's business report. In front of this I will map the report that we have received from this OpenAI application. For that we have to press this slash button. From this drop down of OpenAI we have to select this message content. So I will select this. Here it is selected. Now we just have to click on this save and send test request button here. So I will press this button. Instantly you will see that this mail will get sent to my sales team. Here it is sent. Now we have to open our Gmail account again. You can see this new mail is sent successfully to my sales team. This means that the workflow that we have created is working all fine. With this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this AI report generator from Google Sheet automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. That's it for this video. If you want to use my workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it from there. Just a quick reminder at end that if you are thinking to go premium, don't forget to use this coupon code JAIYT to get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. For you, I have added this coupon code in the description box itself, so you can use it from there. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.